She like the NBA band camp. She like the Migos too. She like it, you know how we do. She know what we do. Switch your rules. Little bit of bitch that she loyal. Knowing damn well we ain't gon' spoil her. Let me tell her what the hell a young nigga do. Switching out hoes and we cold. In the jungle with chimpanzees. I'm talking about the bando idiot. Knew that you niggas wouldn't understand me. Switch your room, my cars and clothes and hoes. Fuck with my money, that's a no-no. We sell it arena, we gon' know it's shows. Smoking back with look like egg rolls. That nigga, I'm fly. We switch with bitches, no lie. We fucking and passing these bitch. You give the kisses and you try to deny. She care on my niggas is
steady.
With a tongue of subliminal.
Boys. Go.
My niggas, they pitiful. She like the NBA band camp. She like the Migos too. She like it, you know how we do. She know what we do.
Switch up.
Little bit of bitch that she loyal. Knowing damn well we ain't gon' spoil her. Let me tell her what the hell a young nigga do.
Man, what the hell going on? Y'all already know what the hell. Let me catch my breath right quick, even though that was... Let me catch my breath, goddamn, nigga. I can't. I already know what the fuck we drinking. We drinking on that motherfucker. Lemonade. So, if you like me, you fuck with me, give me some lemonade. You know what I'm saying? I'll love you forever. Give me some lemonade. Give me some. Food is the key to my heart. You know what I'm saying? No, easy. Hold up. Brother, y'all know what I had seen on Instagram? It was Instagram and YouTube, one of them. I had seen like they were. They got my. Stop what the fuck you doing and subscribe right fucking now, bitch. Ugly ass nigga, man. Y'all niggas just wanna watch it, nigga. Y'all don't even wanna subscribe. But I had seen they had got NBA YoungBoy, like the feds looking into him and shit. Like, I'm like, ah, damn, what that? So, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to play some NBA YoungBoy, some gems that y'all. A lot of the.
Hitting my pain on that level, pissing out cold day. Niggas gon' talk this.
Let me get into my fucking. I'm hungry. I ain't eat all day. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta show me. Better provide for myself, cause nobody else ever hold.
No pickles in them motherfucker. Alright, they care about their life. So do what you do. Hey, listen. Fuck all that music shit. Y'all don't know the thing about Chick-fil-A. The tea, y'all don't know the the tea. The crack is in the sauce. Nigga put crack in the sauce, nigga. That's why y'all keep coming back, cause the shit be so good ahead, you know what I'm saying? Believe it, yeah, I got some shit up in my blood and never leave for life. And you so perfect, you deserve it, I can't treat you right. And if I ever give her a chance, I might hurt you. So go and try to find something new like a bird. Hold up, I'm gonna show y'all the motherfucker. I'm gonna show y'all the motherfucker. You gotta put the Polynesian sauce on that motherfucker. Polynesian sauce on that motherfucker. Ooh, that motherfucker. Ooh. Bro, I'm giving y'all the damn, like, I'm putting y'all niggas on, boy. Like, bro. Gotta put the Polynesian. Let me put something on the back, you know what I'm saying? So, it's gonna give you, it's gonna be spicy ahead, but it's gonna be sweet, you know what I'm saying? For sure that, bro. I got PTSD from elementary school. I remember one time, elementary school, the ugly ass bit, the bit was Nigerian or something. The bit name was like Yumi or something like that. So I don't remember, but dude, like we in school, we got little chicken sandwiches. I never used to eat school lunch. I was like, bro, that shit nasty as hell. So the bit get a little sandwich, the bit get the mayo. Y'all see how I sprayed my shit? I sprayed it my shit. Y'all see how I did my shit? Ooh, whoo! Look at it. This bitch gonna get the mayo, get goddamn just. You nasty ass bitch, you don't got no whole chain in London. The mayo, hell, that bitch was nasty. Make these bitches be nasty as fuck, boy. Ooh, I know what I'm about to play. I know, but I already know what the fuck going on. These bitches. You fry nasty head. I ain't even don't care. They be dry head, but the sandwiches be buzzing.
I close my eyes and I see the devil. We like the purge on them niggas, can't let up. We take the gang shit to a new level. I think the chopper gon' chop propeller. These niggas run to the cop, they tell them. Guess they don't know no better. Where I come from, we don't talk to a fella. Silent, never gon' leave my brothers.
What? I go crazy, huh? Bitch tryna have my baby. New P80. Bitch sound like an M8. See, I'm a player, but bitch ain't doing no pain. And he was lacking. We hopped out and we just sprayed him.
Pull up 100 deep, chill like the Navy. Whether you pussy, don't try to ride an Alpha David. Run gon' shoot at your head, not your neighbor. When it comes down to that smoke, we vaping. I put that baby to sleep like I'm crazy. I had to stay down, my mama won't stay. Team over, I caught her head on the race. Fat was fat as a bitch, a potato. I get them smashed, fast, mashed potato. Get fat so fast, hit the gas, I'm shaking. Stop getting booked, then we go back to taking. Ain't nothing nice in my hood if you pussy can't make it. Stick to the code, we never gon' break it. Never set when bro started hating. Still tripping that bitch and that fake. Stay with that 7.6 to American made. That pack and go straight to the cable. Nah.
What am I for good here, boy? Damn, that whole gone already. I missed that bit. That's why you can't eat your food fast, cause you will miss your food so fast. Like you eat the bits up, one bite, two bite, it's gone.
Block silver and black like a raider. That nigga pussy well make up. No birthday, bitch, I got that cake up. Can't that care, be fuck the hoe later. Ain't big.
You gonna play my shit, this my shit, this my shit. Yeah, bitch. I don't need rap though, but this my shit though. What are you saying?
I been in my bag, little bitch. I don't gotta brag, little bitch.
Little bitch.
I been in my lane, little lane. I been in my lane, little lane. You bring me as a Tell me as a money, I'm gonna get some more money. I'm the money magnet, money coming to me, bitch. Yeah. I wanna cash out on a fucking scat pack. I wanna cash out on a motherfucking combo, little bitch in a fast car. Ain't no name car. It's a motherfucking Toyota, bitch. Toyota, baby, bitch. With the LT. You can eat your shit. And I be flexing. Yeah. These niggas like I was Hercules. Flexing on these niggas like I was Johnny Bravo. I think
Y'all that flexing, man, I need a fucking sit pack.
I been working out at the gym, hit the elliptical machine, I do the treadmill, bitch, I do the dash, I be running to the guap, running to the guap like I run up everything,
Boy, that shit garbage. Nigga, you thought you was a rapper, boy? That motherfucker good as hell, dog.
Yeah! Look how I put that shit on. Oh, look how I put that shit on. Damn, look how I put that shit on. Damn, yeah. Oh, straight out to my toes. Straight out to your toes. Got your bitch, she lit my soul. Your bitch, a freaky bitch, she like the lick on my soul. Your bitch, she like me, tell me why no minute Tesla.
Yo, bitch, she hear me, shocky, tell me what a minute Tesla.
Hey, bitch, I do the 90 in the test. Your bitch gon' slide it nine. Your bitch, she slapping on my nine. Your bitch slapping on my nine. Your nickel down, so down. Freak me. She freak me. I call that hoe Becky. Yeah, I don't know,
Might call that hoe Madonna.
Yeah, got the long hair. Wait. Clean toe, let me lick them soul, hey, let me lick them soul, let me get it through the toe, yeah, she got the motherfucking, foot, bitch got motherfucking alley foot, fuck, what the fuck is wrong with her, hey, baby, what the hell you want, we can get the wing stop, if you want this happy hoe, Yeah. You want that Chick-fil-A? Or you want that for you want that Chick-fil-A? Or you want that for what? I don't know. What you want? What you want? I'm gonna get you one. You get for what you want? What you want? I know these niggas like I would call it Leonard. Yo. If ain't that you nigga like, I'll call it Leonard. Yo. Get into the phones, I might make a bigger cow. Yo. I must love that old man. And Hunchoz Munchoz make with me. Make with me. Let me get that shit. I see that $0. Yo.
Hey, you hear me? You hear me?
Why your heart long with my D? Hey, yo, hold on with my D. Scene, bitch.
Motherfucker, fuck.
Hey, alrighty, Hunchoz. Hey. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Wipe me my shit. Yeah. Ain't no, I'm playing like this. Ain't no, I'm playing like this. I be getting to the money, me. Matter of fact, man, I'm the money magnet. I'm like, man, I'm a rapping and I was some money. All the money came to me like it was a thing. Oh, yeah. I drink to reality. Wake up in the morning, they reality. Wake up in the morning, run. Okay, go. The presidential right fucking now. Okay, go. The presidential right fucking now. Okay, go. Right now. I mean, right now. That's why I probably fuck with me. Fuck with me. Fuck with me, little baby, y'all better fuck with me. Yeah.
Boy, that shit ass. Boy, you ass. Like, hey, man, stick to the YouTube shit, man. That rap shit not for you, man. Like, anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe right now. Hey, so stop what you doing right now. Subscribe. Anyway, I love y'all. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Y'all see my fat ass sweaty. Ooh, the crispy ass cuss ass, yo, nigga. Ooh. You a sis ass nigga, man. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, you.